Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is ice cream. And I've yet to find an easier recipe to follow than this. As normal, a full list of the ingredients, all three of them, and one is optional, can be found in the description box below. Okay, the first thing we do is put the doubled cream and the vanilla extract into a suitably sized bowl, then whisk the cream until it's nice and light and fluffy. And I'm informed this can take some time. When this is achieved and the cream looks something like this, it's time to mix in the condensed milk. When combining the condensed milk and the cream together, use a gentle folding motion. You don't want to knock any air out of it. Okay, I'll tell them how many calories are in it, but at the end I don't want to put them off. When the condensed milk is thoroughly combined with the cream, it's time to put it into a suitable sized container. Place a lid on the container or cover it with cling film, and it's off to a freezer for at least 6 hours. At the end of the 6 hours, it's ready to serve. Okay, I'll tell them. My wife insists I let you know this is a recipe not for people on a diet, as this small amount of ice cream contains, wait for it, 4,000 calories. But in its defense, it's really easy to make and tastes really good. We hope you enjoyed this really easy recipe. If you did, feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now.